Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing of the JBL Authentics 500 and give you my first impressions about this amazing speaker. So for a long time I waited something special from JBL, and this is the speaker that I was waiting. This is the Authentics 200, the Authentics 300, and in the box the Authentic 500. So let's see what we have in the box. The manuals that no one reads. Of course, if you'll see here, I already make an unboxing of the JBL Extreme 4. If you want to see all specs about this speaker and sound test, check my channel to see how it will sound and the differences between the Extreme 4 with the boombox, with the Extreme 3. So inside the box we have, let's see if we have something else in the box. We have here the power cord, and that's it. So let's plug it in. And this is the JBL Authentics 500. I'm not sure where is the on and off button. It doesn't have an on and off button. Okay, so bass, highs. Let's plug it in and see. Okay, so we have here a LED that is blinking, and I have here a phone. So it starts when you power on the speaker, and I am amazed by this look. I think this is the most beautiful. This is texture. This is very nice. Authentics sound since 1946. Let's remove this and see on the back what we have. So here we have the Ethernet cable, the aux in, the USB-C, and the power cord. And because this is an intelligent speaker, we have the on and off button for the microphone. This is the amazing 3.1 speaker from JBL. It has 270 watts of power that comes from 3 1-inch tweeters and 3 2.75-inch mid-range woofers, and of course it has a big 6.5-inch subwoofer, just like the JBL Bar 2.1. It has 2 bass reflex ports. On the bottom you will see the woofer. It is high excursion woofer. I don't know, I think this is a very beautiful speaker. Let's connect it to the phone and play a song to see how it will sound, and I bet you it will sound very, very good. This was amazing. I don't know how JBL did this. The design, it's flawless. It is a retro design, but the sound that comes from these 3 tweeters, 3 mid-range drivers, and a big 6.5 inch woofer, I don't know something to beat this at these dimensions. Of course, I have here the JBL Boombox 3, the JBL Boombox 3 with wireless, the Ultimate, the 710, even the 310, but this, in my opinion, it is the perfect speaker that you can buy. I don't know how JBL did this. It cost $699, and in my opinion, if you find these speakers under $600, this is amazing. And pay attention, it has wireless, it has voice assistant, it has Chromecast built-in, so JBL did something amazing. Unfortunately, it doesn't have internal battery, it doesn't have HDMI, but I can manage to live without the HDMI. It doesn't have the waterproof protection, but with such a beautiful speaker, I'm not planning to take it with me anywhere. So yeah, JBL did a good job. What do you think about this speaker? Believe me, I have tried every JBL speakers and other manufacturers did, but this blown my mind. I will make a deep review in a couple of days after I will listen to it to see this full potential. So what do you think about this speaker? Is this amazing or not? Would you prefer the JBL Boombox 3 at the same money? Feel free to subscribe AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button for JBL.